Go.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a squishy tour video. So, today maybe this iPad and this chicken and this hotel and this phone and this. Should this gonna fit? Okay, now I'm done. So there's kind of no cash register. So here's the money. Okay, now let's play with our squishy. So there's our type of game. So let me just put it right here. And let's play with our hotel. That's right. So here are the VIPs. Right. Oops, I think it bugged. Oops. I think I want to do something funny.
What? What is it?
Run, 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 run. Okay, now I'm done drawing that poop, that girl's face. Now let's see if there's poop here. Wait, where did it go? So let me just do something funny again. Now let's see what the VIP looks like. So it is one. I guess this is a pillow. And here's this. And here's this. So the video is kind of getting long. So bye guys.